but I don't have time to eat healthy. I know, I used to say that too, like a lot. But here's the truth that transformed my life and my journey. It's not about finding time, it's about creating it. And today I'm going to show you exactly how 60 minutes of prep saves me hours of stress and decision fatigue every single week. Hey friend, it's Shantel. And if you're tired of feeling like your health goals are always just out of reach, or if your energy levels are on a constant roller coaster, then stick around. This might just be the game changer you've been looking for. You know that saying, failing to plan is planning to fail? Well, when it comes to supporting our hormones and maintaining steady blood sugar levels, this couldn't be more true. Trust me, I've been there, done that, and I've learned this firsthand. Let me show you how I set myself up for success every few days. It's really not about fancy meal prep or complicated recipes. It's about creating a foundation that makes healthy eating practically automatic. Here's the game changer I've discovered. When you prep your proteins every 3 to 4 days, you're not just cooking, you're creating possibilities. Every piece of protein I'm prepping right now could be tomorrow's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. This flexibility is super key and critical because, let's be honest, our energy and hormones can be so unpredictable from day to day. And here's something most people don't talk about. When you're working to balance your hormones, having ready-to-go protein can be the difference between staying on track and reaching for whatever's quickest when hunger hits. The beauty of this approach is that it supports your body's natural rhythms. When your blood sugar is stable, you have sustained energy throughout the day. No more afternoon crashes that send you reaching for quick fixes that might throw your hormones off balance. Think about it. How many times have you skipped a healthy meal simply because you were too tired to cook? Listen, I have been there so many times. The other thing I've done is reach for something that I knew wouldn't serve my body well just because it was convenient. Can you relate? That is exactly what we're preventing here. Here are my top tips that have made this sustainable for me, and hopefully it'll help you too. First, keep it simple. I like to focus on whole foods that love my body right back. And let me tell you, your body will tell you what works if you just listen. My next tip is to prep every 3 to 4 days or whatever frequency works for you. For me, this keeps the food super fresh and prevents overwhelm. It is frequent enough to ensure variety, but not so often that it becomes a burden. My next tip is to make everything multi-purpose. Each protein and side that I cook should work for any meal. This gives me freedom while maintaining structure. My next tip, listen to your body. Choose foods that energize, not inflame. And make sure you pay attention to how different foods affect your energy and your hormone balance. Remember that this isn't about perfection. It's about creating a sustainable system that supports your health goals, balances your hormones, and gives you the energy to show up fully in your beautiful life. This is what real self-care looks like at pretty much any age. It's not a quick fix, but a consistent practice that honors your body's needs. Every time you prep, you're making a declaration. My health matters, my energy matters, I matter. If you're ready to start your own prep ritual, here's your action step. Pick one protein or just one item to prep this week. Just one. Notice how it feels to have this food ready to go. Notice how it affects your energy, your choices, and even your mood. This one small step can be the beginning of big changes in your health journey. Remember that every time you step into the kitchen to prep, you're choosing to invest in your health and vitality. Let's keep moving and healing together, my friend. Drop a comment below sharing your biggest food prep challenge. I promise I read and respond to all of these, and I am here to support you. If you enjoyed this video, and I really hope that you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time.